Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm an indie game developer. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a character that only can be seen when you have a flashlight on it or any source light. It's invisible in darkness like you see here. There isn't any character you can see here. When you turn on your flashlight it actually appears and you can see it, and when you turn off the flashlight it disappears. Let's try another time. Okay, like you see here. So let's start right on. We need a plugin called LXR, light detection system. So we enable that. We go to our player that has the flashlight. Here we go component, add LXR source. I've already added, like here. We don't have to modify anything here. We go back, we add our character that's wanna, like the enemy that you cannot be seen in dark. We go to our event graph. Okay, we create a function called hide bones. Okay, we go here and we add a sequence. It's 15 sequence. Okay, we go here, hide bone by name. We add the mesh, head, spine, low arm, all the bones here of the character, and don't forget the pelvis. Now we go add it to our event graph. We add it to our begin play. Like you see here, begin play, and we create another function called bone light detection. Before that I forgot to add, you need to add LXR detection. Here you add your mesh, you choose custom, this will appear. Add to source one detect, enable this, it was enabled. Okay, print debug so you can see, print LXR, go down to visibility and you choose skeleton mesh sucked. Now we create a function called bone light detection. Click on it, so we get our LXR detection. We choose get eliminate targets, like you see here. We do a sequence for all 15 bones. We need to add the pelvis first, like you see here. I will show you. So we extract this, we do find, like this one, find. The 0 means the head sockets, like you see here. 0 means head sockets. 1 means, we here 1 means spine 02. Okay, we break the LXR here, get the intensity, and we check if it's equal 0.8 or any value you need here to modify, equal or greater. Now if it's true, we wanna unhide the bone, the head. Now if it is false, we wanna if it's true, we wanna unhide the bone by name. If it is false, we wanna hide it again. Just first the mesh and call hide bone by name, like here. Now another sequence here, we get the action, we get another here. Find here one means the pelvis. We break it, get the intensity 0.8. Now if it is true, we'll unhide the pelvis spine 0.2 and pelvis 2. We check the pelvis again. Hide bone by name pelvis. Okay. Now if it is false, we wanna hide the bone by name spine 02. Hide the bone by name pelvis. Now it's all done. We go to our event graph, and the event graph we add the bone light detection here. As you see, we've already added. Now we go check here, like we play. As you see, we can see any character here, but if we point the flashlight and the value exceed 0.8, it actually showing here, as you see. Now if turn off, it goes. Turn on, it's, you can see it here. See. And thank you for watching, and if you need anything, you can comment.